Hello everyone. Today we've come to our customer's factory to show you the complete production process of a foam molding machine. This production line can be used to produce ICF blocks, EPS boxes, EPS floor heating boards, EPS electrical appliance packaging, etc. This is a pre-expansion machine used for producing EPS particles. First, the workers load the raw material into the feed inlet. The raw material is steam heated and matured inside the machine, then conveyed through pipes to the storage silo for further maturation. Once the maturation is complete, the EPS particles are transported through pipes to the EPS molding machine for final shaping. This is a molding machine equipment used for producing ICF blocks. The worker places the insert into the robotic arm, which accurately positions it in the mold. The machine then heats and shapes the material, and finally, the ICF block is produced. If you also need EPS equipment, feel free to visit our factory for a tour.